Hello, Daniel Gurevich is with you. We are on a short drive from Vilnius to a beautiful area of Molėtai, and we are in Dubingiai. Dubingiai is a beautiful village located on Asveja lake, one of the longest and most beautiful lakes in Lithuania. The village itself was mentioned, the settlement was mentioned long ago, about 700 years ago, the period of Grand Dukes and the Teutonic Knights' aggression against the Grand Duchy of Lithuania. And the Middle Ages, the late Middle Ages, made this place famous because the famous Radziwill family had their castle built here on a hill. So now we're in the center of the small village, which has about 200 people, 200 citizens, and there is a modern church on this hill. And I'll stop in a minute and I'll fly my drone over the place. So Dubingiai today is a synonym of vacations for locals and for the guests of the country. Many people come here, they rent apartments, houses by the lake, in the forest, and they spend their time in the serenity of the Lithuanian nature. So now you start seeing the water of the lake Asveja. It's a really long and beautiful lake. Looks maybe like a big river, but no, it's a lake. By the way, Lithuania is a country of 1,000 lakes, according to the register. Of course, there are many lakes which are not mentioned because they are smaller. So, but yeah, this country has a lot of lakes and rivers and a lot of forests, and you can really spend beautiful time here. So you can see down here the estate, the private estate, where they have quite a big plot of land, including a little bit of forest and access to the lake. The town was acquired by Radziwill family in 1508. He constructed a new palace in the Renaissance style in the first half of the 16th century. After the death of Jerzy Radziwill, his son, Nikolai the Red was his nickname, inherited the property, causing the town nearby to become an important hub for the Reformation in Lithuania. Just to remind you, Lithuania was strictly Catholic, and there was a very strong opposition against Reformation and Lutheranism. Barbara Radziwill, a very famous woman in Lithuanian history, spent 5 months in the castle after her marriage to Sigismund August in 1547. The palace, which was built, used to be one of the most luxurious residences in the Grand Duchy of Lithuania, lagging not much behind the royal palace in Vilnius. Dubingiai Castle, you will soon see the remnants of the church, the foundation of the church, and the black marble stone in honor of Radziwill family. Here you can see the black memorial in the center of the church, in the place of the altar. And now the drone will go up and you will see the nice panoramic view of the island on a lake and the whole surroundings. So during the Polish-Swedish wars in the 18th century, the castle was damaged by the war, by the armies, and was also confiscated from Boguslav Radziwill. It returned to the family in the second half of the 17th century and again neglected during the wars of the beginning of the 19th century. So there was a foundation which disappeared under the layer of soil after some time. And the archaeological excavations discovered the foundations not so long ago, and not far from it, archaeological museum was established. So now you will see the panoramic view around the castle and the island. Thank you for watching this episode about Lithuanian beauties. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Travi and join us for more virtual travels in Lithuania and around. Daniel Gurevich was with you.